Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to zoom in and zoom out on GoPro Hero 13. So in order to do so, first we need to enable Pro settings. So swipe from the top towards the middle in order to open this panel, then go to the right in order to find controls, tap on controls, and then switch from easy to Pro. Now we can tap anywhere in order to go back, close this panel, and now over here in the bottom right corner you will find this icon with 3 sliders. You want to tap on it. Scroll down until you find the capture section, and here you will find zoom. You can tap on zoom and then you can move the slider up or down in order to zoom in or zoom out. The same goes with the photo mode. So if we go back, once we exit, we can go to the photo mode. Then once again we'll find the same button and we will find the zoom over here, and in time-lapse mode it looks exactly the same. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!